Hey loves, I'm Adrienne Justine and today I'll be sharing my first flexirod set on my natural hair. So these are the things you're going to need for this style. I'm doing this on freshly washed and detangled hair. So I did 30 medium sections, and first I add leave-in conditioner and then a curl defining mousse, really making sure that I'm applying enough product to the section. Then I wrap my hair around the flexi rod, and at the root I'm turning the rod away from the scalp to tighten and then bend the ends to secure the hair. Here's another section I've applied the leave-in conditioner to, and I'm applying the mousse, making sure that I'm really getting the roots. Then I wrap my hair around the flexi rod and bend to secure. So I repeat these steps all over my head, and guys, the parts don't have to be perfect for this style. I like to use my fingers to part and section the hair. Also, throughout this process, as my hair started drying out, I would just rehydrate by spritzing with some water before adding the leave-in and then the mousse. So this is my hair all rounded up. I went to sleep with a satin scarf, and the next day after air drying for about 24 hours, I began the takedown process. So I'm adding a little sunflower seed oil to my hands before I start taking off the rods to prevent frizz. And to take these out, you just unbend the ends, loosen at the root, and gently spiral the rod out of your hair. So all the rods are out, and now it's time to separate the curls into smaller curls. So to do that, I just pull the coil apart gently where it naturally separates, and I'll twirl the hair away from my face in a finger coil motion to shape each curl. So you can separate your hair as much as you would like. Just bear in mind that the more you separate, the more volume you'll get with your hair. And for me, I separated each big coil into about 3 to 4 smaller coils. So next, I ended up going with a middle part for this style, and here I was just fluffing out the roots with my fingers to hide any parts. And that's it, guys. This style lasted me a week and I really loved how it came out. So I hope this video was helpful and inspires you to try something new with your natural or transitioning hair. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!